Hi, this is Julie from Rice's Dragonfly Farm. And this is the other end of our farm. We have a neighbor pig and one of our own that won't go in the pasture. They hate it and they won't stay in. So they're over here. The Cooney belongs to a neighbor, which they are building their fence. And this is Susie Q. And this one, her name is Tammy. And this is our beautiful farm. And since we've only been here since May, there is not a lot done. We had a couple of goats and we couldn't keep them in. So we sold them. And now we have pigs, turkeys, ducks, and chickens. And you can see our creek down here. The creek is absolutely beautiful. You can hear it. We've had a lot of rain and a little bit of snow and a lot of freezing weather. And I hope I'm not making everyone drunk by moving around too fast. But isn't this beautiful? So serene. You can hear it. It's really, really soupy down here in the pasture. We're kind of low. And we have a piece of land down here that is attached. We call it the finger because it kind of is, but it is undeveloped thus far. But if we really, really could do it, I would love to build it up and be able to put a house down here. But we're probably going to end up putting pigs for a while. We've got a lot of dips. We've got a lot of varmints. This is Arkansas. I can say varmints, right? As you can see, there's a lot of running water everywhere. Just trying to get to the creek. A lot of water right there. We only own to half of the road there. And this spring, we've got to get down here and burn this off, but we've been cutting a lot of the downed wood because we needed something to burn. So we've made a trail where we can get our riding mower down here with a wagon and a generator, since we only have an electric saw here. But we want to get this burned off and get all of the seed ticks and the nasty little no-see-um bugs and the scrub that need to be cleaned up and cleaned off of it. And once that's done, it is just going to be beautiful. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. We love it here. This is our forever home. Which we bought from, or buying anyway, from Michael Harris. Look at that creek. And if you can hear the waterfall coming over the old bridge, this old road is inaccessible. My apologies for being out of breath, but I have lung issues. I have a few health issues. I am disabled, also tangled in a briar, which there are a lot of. My husband is also disabled. He has COPD. Ow. So we kind of work when we can and as we can. My son, Ken, is also a part of the farm. His 2 children, Haley and Montana. There's the waterfall you keep hearing. As you can see, this used to be some sort of an access road. And this line, bless his heart, is our neighbor on the backside, water. This is his water line. And you can tell it freezes and breaks. And he's traded it in for this plastic line because it's much cheaper to replace. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, other than it still needs a lot of cleaning. And I don't know if you can see the bank over there, but we have a lot of bank line like this. And we need to find a way to maybe put some wire mesh and concrete so that we can keep it from just crumbling away. So if you've got any ideas, please leave a comment. We read everything. And we will try and get back to everyone as we can. And again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click on the bell to get new notifications, and share with your friends. We're just starting out. Thanks everyone. Bye.